Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha, practicing doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. With more and more queries coming in for psoriasis, people have been asking a lot about what are the essential vitamins that a psoriasis patient should take or should keep a watch on. So I will be discussing about it. There are certain vitamins that a psoriasis patient should keep a watch on and should increase the consumption of those vitamins. So number one is vitamin A. Yes, usually the plant derivatives of vitamin A is beta carotene, and it is present very good in green leafy vegetables, carrots, eggs and mushrooms. So vitamin A is usually responsible for our body's immunity response. It is also very important for our vision, for the health of our skin. If taken in a psoriasis patient, when the vitamin A consumption is increased in a psoriasis patient, it usually helps relieve the psoriasis symptoms in the patient. And in case you're facing any aggravations, it might relieve also. So vitamin number 2 is vitamin D3. In today's world, and specifically in areas where the sun exposure is very low, or people who do not work out a lot and usually are living with sedentary lifestyles, in such people we usually observe that these people are vitamin D3 deficient, and sometimes as low as vitamin D3 equals to 3 or 4. It should bare minimum be above 65 or 75. So in case you are severely deficient with vitamin D3, you need capsule supplementation, and if you're just on the borderline, you can increase the vitamin D3 consumption by increasing the milk intake or egg intake. The next vitamin I will be talking about is vitamin E. Vitamin E is usually found in sunflower oil or maybe flax seeds oil, soya bean oil, and it is very good for your skin health. In a case of psoriasis, the skin proliferates at a very fast rate and it is presented as scales on your skin. So if you increase the consumption of vitamin E, this turnover time may decrease and it can help you relieve of your psoriasis patches. And the last vitamin I will be talking about is vitamin B7 and vitamin B12. Vitamin B7, as popularly known as biotin, and vitamin B12 is, if available in capsule form, it is presented as cyanocobalamin. If you increase the consumption of B7 and B12, it can help you relieve of your psoriasis patches. They have very great antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin B12 sources are good in non-vegetarian sources of protein, and usually we find that in vegetarian people, they're usually deficient of vitamin B12, so you can take it in the form of capsule in supplementation. I hope this video has been very clear to you what are the most important vitamins that a psoriasis patient should take, and if they are deficient, then they must certainly take their capsules form. For more queries, you can get in touch with the team of Bharat Homeopathy and we will be there to help you. Thank you.